In this video, I'm introducing you to the Manhattan cardigan. It's a chunky sweater without all the bulk. I put quite a bit of thought into this design before I even made my first stitch. I wanted to make something not only beautiful, but that would flatter every woman. Chunky sweaters can look shapeless and oversized, but not in a good way. This sweater solves that by having a beautiful fit through your shoulder, a gorgeous face framing collar that not only looks great, but it's warm. You get a wonderful detailed cuff that keeps the cold out while looking absolutely gorgeous, and pockets that melt into the body with a special stitch. Now, in addition to that, I've made sure to use a yarn that does not pill up. And your sweater will not lose its shape over time. While this looks like a ribbed sweater, it will not sag. So it will look great for years to come. This pattern is not for my beginner makers. It is an intermediate design. You should have made 2 to 4 garments before making this sweater. I have video tutorials in all the right places and so many customization points along the way so that you get your perfect fit.